Elizabeth. From this moment on, all the little details and stressors, the exact species of flowers, the just right shades of blue and green, the meal indicators, the ice cream flavors, and even the freaking buttons do not matter anymore. For the rest of today, everything will be beautiful and perfect.
The valley showing down below. Are you floating?
Because everything is standing in front of me right here.
I've been living on the edge of somewhere I don't know.
Carson, with you at my side, I know that we can get through anything. This week has been a testament to that. During one of our most beautiful, but also difficult times, we found comfort in each other's love. I love you more than I've ever loved you, and I will love you even more tomorrow.